Okay, so I'm gonna fix my door hinge. As you guys can see, that this piece broke off the door. There was a lot of wind, so it even damaged my my fabric here on the door. So right now I just have to secure from the bottom from that tilt pedal from my door hinge. I have a freaking little piece of rope right there holding it in place so I won't smack my mirror. But we're gonna fix this thing. We're gonna put the proper bolts in there. I tried putting some rivets in here and they don't hold, so seems like I was gonna see if I can make it work with that this one. Alright, so let's see if we can put it in there. But I use a stand and it's not let me put the phone down a little bit and I'll show you guys what it is. Okay, so as you guys can see, I was able to put that two bolts with using this thing right here. It's a little screwdriver ratchet type deal because it's a difficult space between here. This is really about 3 inches, 4 inches long, and it's basically, not having enough room. So this thing's amazing. It's a little tool, so you can get to like really hard places to reach with a screwdriver and get things done. I picked I bought this thing at that Nordic Tools when I was home, so I saw it and I bought it because I know that I knew that it was gonna be something that I was gonna be using a lot here in the truck. So I was able to secure this thing. Now you want to get the latch out and we're gonna put our pin in. See, this is the pin that it has in there. So that way you get the pin out. I try to push that with a hammer as much as I could, and then I use some needle nose pliers to pull it out. So it's a tight fit. There you go, and that's it. That is it. It opens and closes. And it's not gonna go anywhere. At least I hope it doesn't go anywhere. So this little bolt thingies that I got them at O'Reilly's Auto Parts, and this is that package number that it come with it. I mean, I've been going with my door like this broken for like almost a month already because I couldn't find the right bolts. I tried to put wood screws in there and they just won't hold. I try to put in the anchors, they won't hold. I tried putting that rivets in there, they won't hold. So I'm gonna try this ones, and seems like this is the ones that are gonna hold the most. So if you guys have the same problem as I did and can't find the right screws, these are it right here. Come in a package of different sizes. I just used the shorty ones like that one. So yep. Alright, see you guys in the next one.